How to book your convention tickets. Booking your tickets for the 2026 EU Semper Nation Award National Convention is very simple, and I'm here to guide you step by step. Before you start, make sure you have your credit or debit card handy. You would also need your email, cell phone details, t-shirt size details, and details of anyone you'll be registering or coming with, as the case may be. Now, let's book your tickets. To start, go to the Semper Nation website by simply typing Semper Nation on your web browser or into your Google search bar and run a search. Welcome to the Semper Nation website. Navigate to the annual convention tab. From the drop-down menu, select Europe. This will take you to EU registration page. Scroll down and choose the ticket category that applies to you. There are 3 ticket categories, and each category gives you access to different convention activities, so be sure to read through each one before booking. For proper illustration, we would use the standard ticket to show you how this works. Click on the standard tickets, simply click the register now button, and you will see a pop-up page on your screen. Scroll and click on the read more button for more information on the convention. Once that's done, simply click on the book event button. This will take you to the next page where you will see all the convention event categories with their costs. Simply select which event you type or you want to pay for. For this illustration, we are choosing the standard ticket and the Glenfiddich tour ticket. Adjust the numbers of your tickets using the up or down button to reflect the numbers of tickets you intend to purchase. Click the continue button, and this will take you to the next page where you will enter your contact details such as your full name, email, phone number, size shirt, and lastly, under Sets, use the drop-down menu to select your year of graduation. If you're coming with kids, we require you to share a few details with us. To enable us plan better, please include information such as numbers of kids you're coming with, age, gender, and lastly, fill out their names, numbers, and t-shirt size. If you're buying more than one ticket or you're paying for spouses or a friend, please enter their full name, shirt sizes, and their set or year of graduation where applicable. Double check that everything looks correct, ticket quantities, sizes, and details. Once form is complete, click on the continue button, and this will take you to the payments page. Here you're required to include personal information such as your name, country, addresses, and card details. Please note, your bank may send you a one-time password to identify your payment, so keep your phone close. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase, and you are done. Once your payment closes, check your inbox for a confirmation email from the organization team. That's it. Semper Nation, clock it. Don't leave just yet. Head back to our homepage to explore more, like becoming a sponsor, making a donation to our STEM project, or buying an art space. This is more than a movement, it is brotherhood. Semper Fidelis.